Hey guys, welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my curry chicken seasoned rice. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Callie J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and go ahead and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So here I have my clean and washed chicken breast. I also have some onion, some scallion, some garlic, and a piece of bell pepper. I also have my all-purpose seasoning, my chicken seasoning, and black pepper, and also my curry powder. So guys, my curry powder is a little bit dull, but we're going to make it work, alright? So I'm going to go ahead and season my chicken breast. I'm going to add the onion, the scallion, the scotch bonnet pepper, and also the garlic. And I'm going to combine everything together. I'm going to leave this for roughly about half an hour before cooking, alright? So we're going to season this. Then we're going to cover it and leave it. And then I'm going to come back and show you guys what I'm going to do next, alright? So stay tuned for that. So guys, now it's time to start preparing my curry chicken seasoned rice. So this is the pot that I'm going to cook my curry chicken seasoned rice in. As I said earlier, the curry is a little bit dull, but we're going to make it work. I went ahead and add a small amount of vegetable oil. Then I went in and add the curry powder. I'm going to allow the curry to burn, but we don't want the curry to burn too dark, all right? So you have to be careful. You have to watch it, all right? So once it burned to the perfection that I want it, or the way I want it to burn, I'm going to go in and add the seasoned chicken. I'm going to combine everything together, turn my stove down on the lowest heat possible, and I will also add some green beans to this, alright? If you have mixed vegetable, you can go in and add the mixed vegetable. So I'm going to combine everything together, cover this and leave this for roughly about 15 minutes. Then I'm going to come back and show you guys what I'm going to do next, alright? Remember guys to turn on your stove on the lowest heat possible, alright? So after 15 minutes, this is what my curry chicken looks like. So I'm just going to go in and combine everything together again. And guys, please taste, because you always want to ensure that it has enough salt, or if you need to add some more seasoning to your pot, alright? So I'm going to cover this and leave this for another 5 minutes. And then I'm going to come back and add the rest of the ingredients. So now it's time to go in and add the rest of the ingredients. So I'm going to go in and add my washed rice. And guys, if you want to go in and use parboiled rice, you can always use whatever rice you have at home, alright? Remember, cooking is about being creative. Remember to be you in the kitchen, alright? So I'm going to combine everything together. I'm going to add a piece of butter, and I will also add a whole scotch bonnet pepper, all right? And also, if you guys want to use coconut milk in your curry seasoned rice, even better. So I'm also going to go in and add some water. And I'm just going to add enough water to just cover it. We're not going to add too much water. So basically I'm using about 1 cup of rice, but the cup is a little bit large. So I added about 1.5 cup of water, right? Just to cover it. So I'm going to leave this and allow it to start cook. Then when it's almost finished, when the water almost finished, dried out, I'm going to come back and show you guys what I'm going to do next, all right? Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. As you can see, the water almost dry out of my rice. So I'm gonna go in as usual and add a piece of foil paper over it, and you have to be real careful, because remember now, the foil paper, when it go in the heat, it will burn you. All right, so be careful. So I'm gonna allow my rice to steam, then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the final product. And the reason for adding the foil paper, just a note, I think it made my rice a little bit shelly and steam properly, so my rice cook properly then. So I'm going to cover this and come back and show you the final product. All right, so guys, this is the final product of my curry chicken seasoned rice. As you can see, shelly and nice and ready to dine into it. So I'm going to serve this up and show you guys the final product, so stay tuned for the final product. All right. Alright guys, so this is the final product of my curry chicken seasoned rice. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys try out this recipe at home. Remember to turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys so much for watching. And guys, go ahead and check the description box for all of the recipe used in today's video. Alright, bye.